Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to solve there is not enough space available on the disks to complete this operation. So let's begin. So here we are in our desktop, and the first thing that we are going to do is go here into our browser. This one right here, and from here we want to go into google.com, and from here we're going to search for Minitool Partition Wizard, and you want to hit enter. And from here we would have this partitionwizard.com. This is what we want, and we want to go here and we want to go open it, and from here you want to go and download now. And from here you can just start download, and once you have downloaded it completely, then you can now open. And let's wait for it to open, and you just click yes when you are prompted with a yes or no. And from here you just want to select your language and you want to click on OK. And after this you can just go continue installing free edition, or you can go pro if you want, but free is enough for this one. And from here you can just go and click next. And from here, if you want to change the location on where this would be installed, you can just do that, but in my case that's fine. So I'm gonna go next, and it's gonna download for a while, so let's just wait for this to finish. And now here it is now finished. So when it's complete, then we can now launch the Minitool Partition Wizard by clicking here on finish. And now here it is now open. So from here you first want to locate your disk that you want to use. So in my case I'll just go for this disk 2 right here, but I don't have any unlocated right here, so I'll just go with this one on disk 1 right here because I have unlocated. So let's say this is the one that you want to create here, but you're receiving an error. So all you have to do is simply go here and you want to right click this right here, this unlocated that you want to fix. So click on create, and all you have to do is basically just name it. So let's just name tutorial, and from here you can just go click on OK, and after that you can click on apply right here and apply pending changes. We strongly recommend you close all other applications, so you can close if you want. So from here you can click on yes, and you just have to wait for it to finish updating partition information, and applied all pending changes successfully. And now when you go here into your file manager and this PC right here, you can already see it right here. We have successfully created the disk partition right here. We have right here as named tutorial. So that's basically it for this video.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.